Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to zoom in on TikTok videos. So if that is something you're interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So once you open TikTok, you need to find the video that you want to zoom in on, and you simply need to triple tap in order to enable the zoom. And you can actually navigate through the video by zooming in on anything, and you have a wide range of zoom. Now, in order to bring the video back to its original state, you need to triple tap on the video. And you could actually watch the video in the zoom state. Now, in order to enable this feature, you'd simply need to close out of the YouTube app. And once that is done, you'd need to tap on settings. Now, at this point, you need to click on general, then on accessibility. After which you need to tap on vision and then touch zoom, and it says zoom in or out by triple tapping the screen, and my feature is already enabled. So if you don't have this feature, one thing you could actually do is by downloading the video, then zooming in on it from your gallery. So that's pretty much the end of the tutorial. If you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.